You're interested in comic book conservation, please join us on Facebook at the Comic Book Conservation Community, where we have a gathering of experts in the industry, and you can ask all of your questions that you need to know about what you need to do to conserve and preserve these beautiful works of art. Please join Dr. Paul from Liberty Hill Comics, Phantom Phil from Phantom Restorations, and myself, Captain Larry from Flying Owl Comics, every Sunday night on YouTube. At 8:35 p.m. Eastern, we talk about everything comic conservation and what's happening in the market. So please come join us. You can find us at Liberty Hill Comics on YouTube and Flying L Comics on YouTube. I just wanted to give everybody a follow-up on the Planet Comics number 18. As you remember, this was completely detached. The cover was deteriorated, sections missing. It was just really in bad shape. Well, it's now back from CGC. After the book had been fully de-acidified and all the wraps cleaned, the cover wrap went into the full immersion leaf casting tank. As you remember from the previous video, we invert the cover wrap so we can go ahead and start the process of filling in all the voids with fresh new pulp. In this particular case, we used 100% Abaca. The liquid pulp was added to the tank and it was drained and pulled through into the voids to fill in any gaps that were left behind. And from the tank, it was dried and placed between presses to make sure everything was nice and flat. Everything came out really well. I was very pleased with everything. The next thing that came up was the trimming process. Here's our original start for the book, and now it's made a transition back from CGC and it's in a slab. I'm very pleased with all the work that was done. It came back as a beautiful 2.0 conserved grade. If you liked today's video, please remember, like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and gets more views out there. And it really helps me to get some of these projects out to you and show you how things are done. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time.